Jusa. Okay. Kanina napanood ka namin sa unang hirit. Nasa swimming pool. Hindi
Yes.
ka ba nilamig? Mainit ba? Ano ang pakiramdam?
First time ko pong maligo nung araw na yun. Kanina. That was my first ligo of the day.
Okay. But you're enjoying.
I'm super
Being part of
enjoying.
Unang Hirit.
Yes, big dream. It's a dream come true for me, and it's a big realization of that dream, Tito Boy.
Kumusta yung pakiramdam na mga veterano at veterana ang iyong mga kasamahan sa unang hirit? How are you? I mean, I don't know how are you coping, but how is the experience?
It's super surreal for me, Tito Boy, kasi it's never in my wildest dreams that I'm gonna be, seeing myself on television, let alone on a program that I used to watch as a kid. So
Okay.
parang it's really something that I still cannot believe until now. I know that my younger self will not believe that I am now hosting sa Unang Hirit, but I'm just so grateful for the experience. I'm guided by the experts and the veterans in the show, and I cannot be more thankful for that.
Paano mo binabalanse? Kasi pag bago ka sa isang palabas, hindi mo alam kung dito ba ang taas, dito ba ang baba, saan ako makikiramdam, ano ang tamang level ng performance. How do you do that?
I keep myself grounded but making sure that my performance is always on top.
On top.
Yes.
So, but in terms of level of performance, anong ginagawa mo para hindi ka makasapaw, hindi ka masapawan, mapansin ka? How do you do that?
I make sure that I keep within the bounds of the script lang po. Kung ano yung script na binigay sa akin, I'll master that, I'll own it. So that is my way of having my own signature to it, the way I deliver, the way I make my presence felt by everybody.
Meron kang opening? May opening line ka?
Usually, hello mga tao!
Ganon. Anong level? Sige nga, pag-usapan natin yon.
Hello mga tao! Ganun lang po ako. Pag,
So, hindi hello mga tao.
hindi po kasi pang ano po yan, pang mga mainstay, yung energy. So parang,
Sandali. Ang mainstay, paano ang energy?
hello mga tao! So they're the
Okay.
opening.
Alright.
Ako po is medyo supplementary pa lang. So, supporting role pa lang po ako.
You start there. I mean, you start somewhere. Ang iyong level naman ay...
Pang ano na po ako, special cast.
Okay,
Wow.
so, hello?
Hello mga tao! So, knowing people that I'm here, but not overing the people that are already here.
That's right. Abangan niyo po yan at obserbahan ho natin. Pag tumaas na ho ng konti,
Mainstay na ako.
Yun!
Kaya,
Oo.
hello mga tao! So, talo na po to, Tito Boy and Joy Barco.
darating yan. Say it and it happens.